I want to go across to Anisha Mathur. She's our legal correspondent. Is there anything under any law which allows a governor to sack a minister? Is there any precedent for this, Anisha Mathur?
Well, Rahul, this is something, in fact, that the precedent goes against. Because if you remember the 1994 SR Bormai case, we had clearly said that the governor cannot dismiss an elected government. In fact, just last year when we saw a similar dispute coming in Kerala, when the then Governor Arif Muhammad Khan had said that he has withdrawn the pleasure of appointment of then Finance Minister Ken Balagopal. Then also this issue had come up that can the governor dismiss a minister. Now what Article 164 of the Constitution says is that the chief minister is appointed by the governor, but the ministers are appointed on the aid and advice of the chief minister. So clearly, so far the legal precedents that have come up so far say that the chief minister has to recommend the removal of a minister by the governor. Of course, the action is taken in the name of the governor. Today, we've seen this kind of statement coming from the Raj Bhavan in Tamil Nadu, and we've also, as Madhav just said, that the Tamil Nadu government has already said that they will be contesting this, because just 2 days ago in the Madras High Court, when this matter of Senthil Balaji had come up, the High Court had also questioned, can the governor actually does the governor under any provision have the power to remove a minister without the chief minister making that recommendation first? Clearly the legal precedents are against the governor. Today, if that kind of a step has been taken, it is something that is going to go before the courts, and the courts so far at least...
P. Wilson is a member of parliament to the DMK. I'm hearing from the Chief Minister's office, I've just received a message that the DMK will challenge this legally. Mr. Wilson, can you give us details about how soon you'll be mounting a legal challenge and your party's first reaction to the governor's unprecedented action of firing a minister who's facing serious charges of corruption?
First of all, our Honorable Chief Minister has just now said that the governor doesn't have powers to dismiss a minister without the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, and particularly the recommendation of the Chief Minister. And he has also said that the issue will be legally dealt with. But first of all, you have to see, where does the governor derive his power to say like this? Where does he derive the power to issue such press release saying that I am dismissing a minister? Tomorrow, take a case where he will say I am dismissing all the ministers in the Tamil Nadu government. How can he say that? First of all, he has to act in accordance with the Constitution. So, such type of... Suppose you would have passed such orders or written such letters, it is void ab initio, which means a person acting without any power, it need not be even respected. It will find a place where it has to go. So therefore, this will be a scrap of paper without having no effect at all. In law, a person who is acting without any jurisdiction, it need not be respected at all. So therefore, this...
No, but what they'll try and refer to is Article 164(1) of the Constitution of India 1949, which says the Chief Minister shall be appointed by the Governor, another Minister shall be appointed by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Minister, and the Minister shall hold office during the pleasure of the Governor. So while this has not happened, and there's always a first time for things to happen, Ravi can say that I'm using the provision that Minister shall hold office during the pleasure of the Governor.
What do you mean by pleasure?
That's the Constitution, so I'm just quoting from the Constitution.
The pleasure has been clearly explained by the Supreme Court. It is under the aid and advice of Council of Ministers or under the instructions of the Chief Minister, so far as appointment of ministers are concerned. So pleasure means, it doesn't mean as per his whims and fancies. It can't be exercised according to his own understanding. So this is a Constitution, and his functions is traceable under the Constitution. So therefore, this the letter or a press release is of no use at all. It can be a scrap of paper. It need not be even acted upon. So rightly, the Chief Minister...
On the other side, Mr. Wilson, Mr. Stalin should have himself asked Senthil Balaji to step down instead of just taking his portfolios away. given the fact that there were serious charges against him. That would have been the just, proper and moral thing for you to do. You didn't do that.
That is a different issue. You are asking me this pertinent question. I am answering to that. Thank you.